Hey everyone, welcome back and thank you for being here. Today I wanted to show you guys all of the best deals from Family Dollar to Winn Dixie, Dollar General or CVS. The deals are so good this week, and the best part is that they all just need digital coupons, nothing else, and there's even one that doesn't need a coupon, but we'll get to that. Let's start out with Family Dollar. So both of these bad boys are from Family Dollar. Great sales this week, and you could grab the Gain and you could also grab the Purex. If you don't want the Purex, the Snuggle fabric softener is also on sale for the same price. But let's start out with the Gain. So you're going to grab a Gain product. This is just the flings, and grab this product, and it's normally $3.95 on sale this week, but there's a $2 off digital coupon. So go ahead and clip that digital coupon with this item, and that's right, this item will be only $1.95. Fantastic. Here is the Purex, and like I said, you can also do the Snuggle. So you're going to grab this item, clip a 50-cent off digital coupon to your free Family Dollar mobile app, and this product will also be $1.95. Like I said, you can also choose the Snuggle, and don't forget that you could also stack these and get more products. That way you could use that $5 off of $25 digital coupon that Family Dollar offers pretty much every week, and you could use it any day of the week, which is awesome. I'll post a video up on the top if you want to check out one of my videos that has done the 5 off 25 if you want to learn how to do that. So easy. Let's move on to Winn Dixie. If you're in need of some toothpaste, Winn Dixie has you this week. Don't forget too, I also did the Walgreens digital couponing video this week that also had free toothpaste or free products. I'll put a link up on the top so you could check that one out too. But if you have a Winn Dixie nearby, this one's super easy. This week, the toothpaste, the 3.0 ounce is $3.99. I'm sorry, $2.99. So you're going to grab this Crest 3D White, which is my favorite. Grab that item. There is a $2 off digital coupon. So you're going to grab that item, clip that $2 off digital coupon, and that's right, you'll get this for 99 cents. That's it. So if you're low on toothpaste and you don't want to do maybe the Walgreens one because you don't want to spend that amount, then don't worry. Just go to Winn Dixie, still get the same type of toothpaste, and that's it. You'll get that for 99 cents. They had a ton of different deals too at Winn Dixie. They also had like the Renews It, like I got last week also. I felt like that was a trend this week, just like in Walgreens, how they had the Renews It on sale for 89 cents. So does Crest, and amongst other sales. But look, CVS, if you want an easy deal, speaking of the Renews It, this one did not even need a coupon. So no digital coupon needed for that. You're just going to walk into CVS, and that is on sale this week for 89 cents. I didn't find too many crazy deals to my liking at CVS. Let me know in the comments if I missed something. I might have just like been so into these other deals that I didn't even pay attention to it. But let's move on to Dollar General. Dollar General is fantastic. They for the most part, repeated the same deal that I just did on Saturday. You guys know that Dollar General, unlike Family Dollar, they do also the 5 off 25 at Dollar General, but only Saturday. So the best part is that I already showed you last Saturday how to do this deal. But if you don't want to do that and you just want all of this toilet paper, you're going to grab these 4 Scott Comfort Soft or Comfort Plus toilet papers, 4 of them. This week they are 2 for $8. That's right, so not 10, 2 for $8. And there is an instant reward at the register that will discount $3 if you spend $15. So if you grab 4 of these items, right, it'll be $16 because they're 2 for $8 and you got them twice. That'll be $16. They'll discount $3 at the register. So that's right. It's as if you got it for $13, which is way, way, way better. And again, if you do that deal that I did on Saturday and repeat it for this Saturday, you'd get that additional $5 off 25. Just grab you a couple of extra items. And also, I wanted to mention Family Dollar by far was the winner this week on coupon deals, all digital coupon deals. They also had in the store one of these with a 50-cent off coupon on it. So if you're in Family Dollar, make sure you check to see if they have one attached to them so you could use that. And like I said, you could do the 5 off 25 in Family Dollar any day of the week. So that's awesome. And honestly, I think they had the best deals this week. So hands down, I think it was between Dollar General, and Family Dollar, but for me, Family Dollar wins because again, I don't have to do it just Saturday. It gives me any option, any day of the week to catch the deals and use that 5 off 25. And you all know, guys, we only do digital couponing only deals around here. So that means you could go into your store with just your cell phone, or you could pre-plan it on your desktop, your laptop, your tablet. You could get this all prepared in advance, or just do it while you're in the store with your cell phone. Super easy. Signing up for any one of these stores, mobile apps or digital apps, are completely free, and all you need is your phone number and clipping some coupons, and you'll get all of these great deals. It's very convenient, best way to do it in my opinion. Of course, you can use paper coupons too and save even more money, but that's up to you. I like digital only. I think it's much easier, a lot simpler, and I like getting in and out. I don't know about you guys. And I also wanted to point out that Winn Dixie deals, they also have like family meal deals where you could feed your family. I think they're doing a pizza this week for $11.99, and you would get a bunch of like free stuff. And they also have, of course, like the deal of the week where you end up getting an item and they give you points back worth money that you can use right away. Again, only using your phone number or whatever phone number you provided and entering it at the register. So keep that in mind. Tons of great deals this week. Take advantage of them. They even had like 2 for $5 on ground turkey. You know I love me some ground turkey. So make sure you check out those deals on ragu, all of that. They have tons of deals. So yeah, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you're new here, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe down below. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified when we do upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. and apparently sometimes earlier. And we do bonus videos too around here, so that's why you need your notification bell turned on. And yeah, guys, don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day, because after all, it's no one else's and it's uniquely yours. Bye, guys.